Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So we're in October right now. Well, actually, I have absolutely no idea what month it is when you're watching this video. It could be like 4 months from now and I wouldn't even know. Well, anyways, we're coming up in the holiday season right now. You know, like leaves are changing colors, like some leaves are falling. It's getting a bit too cold to go outside now. I never want to go outside in general, so I can't really relate to that one. But anyways, around Christmas time, a lot of people start thinking about starting their like YouTube or Twitch channels like as a hobby going into the new year. From what I've noticed, like a ton of kids like around this time will start asking their parents for like equipment for like their YouTube channel that they're about to start up. So they'll be like, "Mommy, I want 2 monitors, I want a camera, a DSLR one, make that $1,000 minimum. I want a microphone, I want a mic arm, I want to have a webcam too, just in case my camera dies. I want to have a mouse, I want to have a keyboard." Like this literally happens every year. Like they'll bring up, "Oh, I need a gaming PC and like a laptop and so much stuff." In reality, you don't even need that. And I know a bunch of other people who will save up a bunch of money to go shopping on Black Friday and buy as much stuff as they can to get like a head start on their stream. New computer, new mic, new webcam, and all that good stuff. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys some of the things that I wish I knew when I started before you get started on like YouTube or Twitch or Mixer or DLive or Caffeine. How many streaming services do we have right now? Anyways, if you guys end up enjoying the video and you guys want more videos like these, then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Maybe even turn on post notifications. I literally only upload once a week, so I'm not going to be spamming your phone with a bunch of notifications. Also, the comment question for today's video is, what is your personal best tip that you can give to like a new YouTuber or a new streamer? Yes, I am flipping the switch on you guys for this video, but the reason I'm asking you guys is because I know a lot of new YouTubers are going to be watching this video, and most of the people who already watch me, like my subs, they've been making YouTube videos for like a month or more. So you could give one tip to someone in the comment section below that could change their entire channel's like life. I'll be reading all of them, responding to some of them, so feel free to do that. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So like I already mentioned in the intro, and it's one thing that I've talked about in some of my other videos as well, but when you're first getting started, don't worry about getting all the best equipment possible. It's really not necessary. Of course, get the main things that you'll need for the kind of content that you want to make, but for the rest, just don't even worry about it. If you want to make vlogs, awesome, get a decent camera, but don't worry about getting like an amazing computer or like a brand new MacBook or something. It's really not necessary. Sure, your current computer that you have might take much longer to like edit and render videos on, but it's better to not spend all that money at once. And if you can't afford a good camera right now, no big deal. Most smartphones right now are amazing, like in terms of like their camera. I know so many YouTubers who have over 1 million subscribers right now who record all their vlogs off their phone camera. And if they can do that, so can you. You can literally just transfer your files from your phone to like your computer or like your laptop and edit it from there. And if you just can't even afford a computer in general, find a way to edit on your phone. There are so many apps available on like any smartphone now, Android, iOS, whatever. You can edit a whole vlog on your phone and upload it, and it will be like you uploaded it from your computer. Like honestly, just think about it at the end of the day. Like an amazing computer, like a $5,000 gaming PC or something, an average computer like $200 Dell computer or something, your phone, whatever, they're all gonna render the exact same video at the end of the day. No one's gonna be like, "Oh, I'm unsubbing because you make videos on your phone." Like that just doesn't happen. And the same thing goes for like if you want to make gaming commentaries. Awesome, just get a good microphone. That's the main part of a commentary. Worry about getting the other stuff afterwards. And a lot of you guys are probably like, "Muaaz, what even is the tip here?" And the tip is just to not overspend your money when you're first starting out. You can literally have the best quality possible. I've said this verbatim in a different video of mine before, but you can have the best quality possible and still make bad videos because it's all a learning process. Like you're gonna get better as you go along. Like hold on, here's a perfect example that I can give you guys right now. Like this is my mic. You guys usually don't see it when I'm like recording, but anyways, like this mic right here, this thing, this is the Blue Yeti. This cost me about $100, I think, or something. Maybe I got it on sale, I don't remember. But anyways, this is $100, and then this mic stand right here, this thing too, that the thing's on, this is also $100. What's more important right here? It's y'all see the mic right now instead of me. Anyways, the mic is definitely more important than the stand that it's on. I used to have this $100 microphone on like a $10 mic stand before. I only got this $100 mic stand because my $10 one broke. Otherwise I would keep using it. But I had that one for like 2 years before I upgraded, right? And the only benefit that I got out of spending $100 on this mic stand is the fact that I can do this. That's it. This is the only benefit that I got for spending $100 on it. I should have just kept the $12 one, but it broke. Otherwise I would have kept it. But anyways, like that's a perfect example right there. Don't spend money on things you don't need. Get the mic, definitely. Don't worry about the mic stand. Use the cheap one for now and then upgrade later on. Now, the next tip that I have for like beginner YouTubers or streamers is to leverage other platforms to grow your overall following. And like an example of this is like, if you're a Twitch streamer, you definitely need to learn how to make videos for things outside of Twitch. So for that, like you'll have to learn how to edit for things like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, heck, even TikTok, which you can actually follow me on. I post on there sometimes, not too often. I should probably post on there more, but if you guys do want to follow me, go for it. I'll have it somewhere on the screen right now. But anyways, think about it. Every big streamer, like for example, Courage and Ninja, right? Both amazing streamers, some like probably my favorite streamers to watch. But anyways, they go live on their main platform, which is like Mixer and Twitch for like both of them separately, and then they post like the highlight clips of the cool things that happen while they're live on Twitter and Instagram, right? And then they'll use those clips and make full videos out of those and put those on their YouTube. So they're literally able to grow their overall following by using hashtags on Instagram, retweets on Twitter, tags on YouTube, and I'm sure you get the point by now. Like, they're literally leveraging every platform possible to grow their overall following. That's something that you need to take into consideration when you're first starting out. And sure, both Courage and Ninja, like, they're big enough to the point where they have editors that can do all that stuff for them. But when you first start out, you just gotta get done yourself. Moving on from that, we have my next tip, and this is to never stop learning. It's probably my favorite tip that I have in this video so far, so I definitely want you guys to stick through it, but this is definitely much easier said than done, but at the same time it's not. I've always been a fan of watching YouTubers growing up, and I still watch a lot of YouTube like today whenever I get time, but when I first started taking like YouTube very seriously and I was like, okay, I definitely want this to work someday, whenever I was watching someone's video, I would study everything they did on their video and on their channel and just see if there's any way I could implement it on my channel. It really doesn't matter if you're watching a gaming channel but you make vlogs on your channel, or like if you're a gaming channel yourself, right? You make gaming content, but you're watching a beauty channel or something like that. Like, look at me for example, I make tech content, right? Like primarily tech content. But I watch a ton of gaming videos and a ton of vlogs and stuff like that, but I can promise you, there's always one thing at least that you can learn from someone else that you just didn't already think about before. Like, for example, it could be like how they make their thumbnails, or how they edit, or how many comments they reply to in their comment section. Just to name a few things, but there's always one thing that you can learn from a different creator. So that's my biggest tip right now, is just learn whenever you're watching content, whenever you're consuming content. Try to find one thing that you can learn from someone else and try implementing it onto your own channel. Like me, for example, in the beginning of my videos, I have like a comment question for today's video, right? I took that from some other YouTuber that I was just randomly watching one day. I don't even remember their name, but I was like, wow, this is really cool and it sparks engagement in my comments. Let me try it out. I tried it out a couple times and it went really well. I get way more comments when I do it, and I get to have fun talking with you guys. So that's just one example I can give you guys personally, but I promise you, every YouTuber that you watch, you can learn at least one thing from them. And now the last tip that I can give to any beginner YouTuber or streamer is that doing YouTube or Twitch or really whatever, like, it's not easy at all. You're gonna get discouraged a lot when doing this, and you're probably even gonna see other YouTubers or like streamers who barely put in the same amount of work that you do pass you up in followers, subscribers, viewers, and so much more. And things like that, that's always gonna get to your head. It's just how it is. YouTube and streaming and things like this internet space, it's like a very mentally draining job, and you just can't forget that it's also a dream job at the same time. Like, you get to do what you love for a living if you're able to pull all this off. So when you're having those sad days where you're thinking about like your videos not getting views, or like no one's talking to me on Twitter, or like my Instagram picture's not getting likes or whatever, right? Instead of getting upset about it, get started on the next video and completely forget whatever just happened. If my video does poorly nowadays, like before I used to get so upset about it, it would ruin my entire week if I had a video do poorly. Now, for example, my most recent video that I just uploaded, it did awful in comparison to my other videos, but that same day I said, alright, screw it, I'm gonna get started on my next video. And I did. I completely forgot about the other video, and it has not been on my mind since until I just started making this video. So that's like my tip for you guys, like, just keep moving on and keep moving forward and try not to make the same mistake that you made before. That's the biggest tip that I can give you guys. And also, remember that all of us grow at different rates. This is something I said in a different video of mine. So it does you no good when you start comparing your success to someone else's. Like, if you have 500 subs and someone else has 5,000 subs and you upload more than them and you work harder than them and things like that, don't even worry about it. Don't compare yourself to someone else, because it does you no good. But yeah guys, like, that's really it for this video. I'm starting to get a bit too like serious at that last tip. I usually try not to. I try to keep like this fun and like positive vibe going in my videos, but I just want to keep it a buck with you guys for a bit. But yeah, that's really it for this video. Please comment below and let me know if you guys enjoyed it. I'm not really too sure how many guys even make it to the end of my videos. My viewer retention is pretty good, but I have no idea, like, from the people, actually I don't even know why I'm going off on this tangent. Anyways guys, in reality there's really no magic or like secret formula when it comes to getting big on YouTube. You really just have to keep putting the work in, and eventually you might just make it. I'd like to think that at least one person watching this video is probably gonna have the chance of making it on YouTube or Twitch or whatever, and who knows, like, it might just be you. But anyways guys, if you guys want more videos like these, then definitely let me know by dropping a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. I literally only upload once a week. Maybe start doing live streams like twice a week or something, I don't know, we'll see. But I promise you, if you turn on my post notifications, I will not spam your phone, and you will get one quality video every single week. But anyways guys, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.